Are you ready for this limited time offering? Have you ever heard of automated systems? Can you imagine having a fire alarm and security system respond at the moment your system experiences a trouble, event, or miscellaneous signal and immediately contact the police and fire department? Stefan here from FireAlarm.com. FireAlarm.com's system automation can provide you with the system and tools in order to pinpoint any trouble or alarm signal, including if there are any outside parties tampering with your fire system. Right now, for our lowest price offered, we can offer you integration depending on your security system and fire alarm system. Integrate your fire alarm system with your building management system, access control, and/or your digital video system with FireAlarm.com by calling us now at 888-497-0290 and speak to one of our engineers or sales representatives for a list of options and special pricing. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future FireAlarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.